And today I just bought this Blu-ray from Amazon. Overlord Season 1 includes a Blu-ray and a digital HD code. Here's a sticker here. So here's a spine. And here's the back. Here are the special features here. And this does have a dub. It has 13 episodes on 2 Blu-ray discs. Alright, it's time to open it up and see what's inside. Alright, after I remove the shrink wrap, here's a fully art cover, and so it didn't come with a slip cover. So here's the inside here. Let me get this out of the way. So here are the Blu-ray discs. Disc 1, here's Blu-ray disc 1, Blu-ray disc 2, and this does not have a DVD inside. And there must be some back artwork here. And here's the back artwork, which is, I believe, the same thing as the original one was front cover here, except this doesn't have the banner on top. And so here's the digital HD code, which I will use it before I upload it, and the back. So a really short unboxing video. There's nothing new inside here. It's just Blu-ray disc and the digital HD code. So thank you for watching my unboxing video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.